Hi guys, welcome to my channel. This is Juliana cooking channel. I welcome you today to my channel once again. If you're a returning subscriber, you're welcome. And if you're just joining us for the very first time, welcome to my channel. So today we're making jollof rice with us broccoli and cauliflower, and you could see me fry the onions, and I put in my cauliflower. This is my broccoli I'm adding in, and mushroom. I added in mushroom as well. So this I'm frying right now is the combination of cauliflower, broccoli, and mushroom. So today we're making jollof rice with broccoli, cauliflower, and mushroom. So I just finished putting this in the fry pan. I'm gonna cover it up to steamer. I'm stirring it, making sure that every part of the vegetable is well cooked, no part is burnt. So I just added in my salt right now, and this is complete seasoning I just added. And this is my Maggi sauce I just put in there. All of the seasoning are in right now. I'm just gonna sear it properly, making sure every part of the vegetable is well seasoned. So I put in my grounded pepper, and this is bell pepper, and grounded onions, and grounded hot pepper. I grounded everything together, I blended it, then that's what I just added right now. So I cover it to steamer. Right now is frying, so I added in my rice. This rice I already parboiled it for like 15 minutes, so I just added the parboiled rice into the sauce. I'm adding in my meat water right now. So I cover it to cook. So I'm checking it out, making sure it's soft already, or the rice is ready to be served. Cover it once again. So here is my shredded yellow bell pepper. I don't want it to be overcooked. That is why I'm adding it for the last, very last. So I put in my egg. So here is the mixture of the egg and the yellow bell pepper. I'm trying to mix everything together. We have a big pot of rice here. It's overflowing. I'm trying to control the rice so it doesn't spill off the pot. So here I'm giving it a proper mix. Thoroughly mixing the rice together with the egg and the sliced bell pepper. This looks so beautiful. This is jollof rice, guys. This is jollof rice and mushroom and bell pepper, and the broccoli and egg. If you have watched up until this point, I want you to subscribe to my channel. If you haven't done so yet, I want you to share this video to as many people as you could. Share it in your WhatsApp group, share it in your TikTok, your Instagram, your Facebook account. I want you to give this channel a big thumbs up. I want you to hit the notification button so that whenever I upload any video, you'll be the first to receive notification about the video. So guys, at this moment we'll be serving our rice, and we'll be garnishing our rice with some sliced cucumber and cabbage. I'm dishing the rice into the plate. So here is our rice. I serve the rice with shredded carrot and shredded lettuce and shredded cabbage. This looks yummy and appetizing, and it looks good. Bye.